Starting to get rods and pistons pushed out of it. Go ahead and rotate it a little bit. Stop, a little too far. Go back a little bit. Right about there. So we'll go ahead and pop this one off next and get that one pushed up out of there. Just a second here. So all 8 pistons came out in what, like 15 minutes? Heads were already off. Got the liner puller made. First liner's already been pulled. Do you need me to crawl under there still in center? Or center
Absolutely, I need you under there.
Okay, I'll go back underneath.
Shit, you alright?
Yep, I'm good. I think I just got that on camera.
Did you get the shit part good?
I don't know how much that I got, but yeah. How did that come off? I think it threaded the nut off the backside.
Oh
Huh.
yeah.
Well, give me a sec here.
You need some drawers?
No, but that was not cool.
It's coming. Yeah, I can see it starting. There you go.
So that's the bottom side of the liner puller there, pulling against the deck on the top. Hopefully this time it doesn't explode and launch pieces at me.
That top bottom. You get fired from a free
So we got all the liners out. First main cap came out. It's got a little bit of wear on it. We're getting ready to...
It's number 3, Tyler.
Number 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're getting ready to roll the top half of the bearing out.
Let's see.
And we'll see what it looks like. I mean, I'd prefer you not, but okay, go ahead and turn it. So I've got a screw through the crankshaft right now. As you can see, as he's turning it here, the upper half of the main bearing is coming out with it. Please don't drop a socket on me. I hear it moving. Alright.
Should be that tight? No. Got a little stuck, Tyler.
Alright, well I have the bearing out, so keep going.
Push in on the bearing.
I have the bearing in my hand.
Oh. You want to come backwards then?
Yeah, go ahead and come backwards, it's fine. I'll get the screw back out of it. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, it fell, but there was a screw. So it just goes into the oil hole in the crank there. So this is the 71 series liner puller that Dad made. And then today, we made this one for 92s. So it wasn't too bad. Brandon actually brought us the plate, the nuts, and the all thread for it. We just had to go get some washers. And it worked pretty good. The only thing is, I made this to just fit inside the liner. And with the protrusion on the bottom of the 92s, I could have made this bigger, put it in from the bottom side, and then just had to pull against it, and it probably would have worked a little better, because I had to rebend this a couple times today because it would slip off and bend this piece of steel. But it worked pretty good. I mean, for mostly just making it out of scrap metal, it's a lot better than, you know, having to pay to go buy one for it. Calling it a day here. Got a lot more done today than I thought we would. So all the pistons and liners are out. The front 3 main caps have the new bearings rolled in. We haven't done the back 2 yet, or the thrust bearings. We've got the O-rings for the liners out on this side. We got to pop the other side out still. The other side of the motor has been cleaned and is ready when we start to reassemble it. Still got to finish cleaning this side. But that's pretty good progress. I mean, at the rate we're going, I'm hoping tomorrow we could have the liners in it and get maybe the piston kits assembled and dropped in. Like I said, tomorrow's Monday. Tuesday we have rain coming, and I don't know exactly how much we're going to lose to the rain as far as weather. You know, if we're going to be able to have a work day at all on Tuesday, or if it's going to be a partial day. But we could theoretically be ready to maybe set heads on it on Tuesday if the weather's good. So I'm pretty happy with the progress today. It's a pretty good day on this one. I don't know if I've showed the bus yet, but this is a Bluebird Wanderlodge.
Right here. Dead blown rags right there.
So
Yeah, let's get it.
got the first rod and piston in. We're getting the second one drove in right now.
I can actually feel it.
All right, go ahead and give me. Go ahead and push that piston down.
Push it down?
Yep. All right, we're there.
Clearly I wasn't there. You are now.
Yeah. You were close enough that I was going to let it pull down on its own, but that's fine.
Get the caps off.
All right, can we rotate the engine over the opposite way that we were going?
They're like $3,500 too. That's all. Ready?
Yep.
Parts and labor. Man.
That's good. A little too far.
Liners and everything? Yep. Oh.
That's good.
Yeah, I came down and pulled the head off, and then saw the shape of everything. I showed him how to remove a liner kit, and so we can go and do the rest of this. We have it cleaned up, and I showed back up in a couple weeks. He had all the parts ordered. He had everything cleaned and disassembled, ready to go, and put it back together.
All right, rotate it back. I'm gonna check the other two again.
The work he did on that hub was amazing.
Other way.
That fan hub.
Other way.
It's the opposite of what I just did.
Oh, that's probably my bad then.
Wrong opposite.
That's good.
That was all day yesterday. What's your username on the forum?
I'm getting closer. So we got one in on this side. This next one's been fit. It's getting assembled right now. And then we got one in on this side. People can get over there one click.
You're shorting the life of my throat wrench by 100% every time you do an extra click.
It'll be fine.
If you do 3 clicks, 300% less lifetime.
Just to annoy people, just click, click. Got day 2 all finished up here, and we have a short block. All the liners and pistons are in. We're waiting on one main bearing to get here tomorrow. One of the new ones was a little bit bent out of the package and did not want to roll in. So we have that coming tomorrow. We'll finish up the mains, then I'll throw the oil pickup on, we get the pan back on it, and the heads are going to get dropped off tonight. So we're going to lose some time to rain tomorrow. Goal is to get the heads assembled and ready, and hopefully we'll have the heads on it tomorrow. So by the end of the day, Tuesday, this thing will hopefully have an oil pan, pickup tube, heads. Been moving right along.